Now that Spyker is rolling out new C8 Perleators, the company is wrapping up production on its predecessor, the C8 Tayloron. To commemorate the old car, Spyker will make the final 3 vehicles special LM85 models, a model designation that references the company's old GT race car. The name of the specification isn't the only thing that references Spyker's race cars. Each of the 3 final cars will have a paint scheme similar to those vehicles with contrasting S-stripes. One car will be black with red stripes, another red with black stripes, and the third black with gold stripes. Each car will feature a matching interior. The bodywork of these cars is even more dramatic than the usual C8 Tayloron. It features wider fender flares for more wheel and tire, and the aluminum body panels are attached with exposed rivets. The grille also features unique slots that encircle the main opening. In the middle of the car is a supercharged Audi V8 that produces the same 518 horsepower as the early C8 Perleators. Newer Perleators use a Koenigsegg V8, and it makes 443 pound-feet of torque. It's bolted to a 6-speed ZF automatic transmission. This combination is good for a claimed 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 3.7 seconds. One number Spyker didn't release was the price, which is only available on request. But you know the drill. If you have to ask,